Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anuja. In the last video, we started our flow journey where I give you an overview of Salesforce flows, what they are, why we use them, and why it's super helpful for automating tasks without writing a single line of code. And today we are taking one step further and we will do some hands-on practice. I will show you how to create a simple screen flow from scratch in a very easy way. And we will create a screen flow that first shows a welcome message. Then I will modify it to fetch the logged in user details and I will add it to the home page. And by the end of this video, you will feel much more confident in using flows. So let's get started. So first go to the setup and in the quick find box type in flows. Click on flows. As you can see, there are already lots of pre-built flows in the system. So we are not going to use them. We are going to create a new screen flow. So click on new flow. Here Salesforce is asking what kind of flow we want. Because we want to show something on the screen, we will select the screen flow. A screen flow is a type of flow where users interact with the screens and see information. So also you can select the layout. There are two type of layouts, auto layout and freeform. I will choose freeform. And here in the elements you can see the screen element. Now drag this screen element onto the canvas and give it a name as a welcome message screen. Also as we have to show a welcome message here, so I will also drag a display text component. The display text component simply allows us to show any text we want. It's just like writing a message on the screen. So first I will give the API name, I will welcome message, and I will simply type welcome to Salesforce. Also we can format this text, we can make it bold or we can change its style or we can change its size as well. So I'm making it bold and I'm changing its size and click on done. And I will save this flow as welcome screen flow. If I click on debug and run it, so see our very first flow is working. It shows the welcome message. Simple, right? But of course we can make this better. So let's do that. So right now flow is saying only welcome to Salesforce. But imagine you want the welcome message to show the user's first name automatically. Sounds cool, right? So let's do that. Just double click on this screen. So what we will do is we will use the user global variable. For that Salesforce gives us a shortcut, the user global variable. This variable holds the information about the currently logged in user like their first name, their last name and email and so on. So now I will edit my display text and write welcome I will type user first name. Okay, and click on done. And now let's run the flow again. And look at that. Instead of just saying welcome to Salesforce, now it's saying welcome Anuja. Feels good, right? Your user will feel special seeing their own name pop up every time. That's the power of flow. Till now, we are running the flow from our flow builder. But imagine if every user has to come here and run it every time. So that's not practical. So the next step is to place this flow directly to the home page. So how do we do that? It's very simple. Before doing that, just we will save it and we will activate it. And now we will directly go to the home page and click on edit page. So we are dragging this flow component over here, and now it is asking us that what flow we want to show on the screen. So we want to show our welcome screen flow here. So select welcome screen flow and save it and activate it. Go back, and yes, see, the welcome message is right there. Easy, right? Now imagine a new user logged in and seeing their own name with the welcome message. They will feel so happy, and you as an admin will look like a genius. So how professional does that sounds? And trust me, it's not complicated once you practice. And that's it for today, friends. In this video, we created our first live screen flow, modified it, patched the user's detail, added it to the home page. And in my upcoming videos, we will take flows one step further, adding input fields, capturing data, and updating Salesforce record directly through the flow. And we will explore more powerful feature for flows that you can use it in real business scenario. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share with your Salesforce friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy Salesforce learning. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.